Well, this is officially the last time you guys are going to be seeing the Fox Red interior in the M3 because we are completely transforming the inside and I'm turning this interior into my dream interior. And well, we've got to gut this thing. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And yeah, let's go ahead and start gutting this thing out. Alright, so we got the car all centered in the garage. Now we're gonna have to tear this thing apart, and well, I bought some parts for the interior. I just don't know if they're gonna fit because they came off of a 328i, and well, the back seats look like this in this car, and well, I don't think the ones I got are correct. So there should be 5 bolts on the door, and the rest is just tabs, so it should be pretty easy. Do we have a tray? We have that magnetic tray, right?
Yeah, you grab it?
Can you grab that for me?
Here you go, sir.
Oh, sweet, thanks. Now they're coming out. They were being so stingy.
That sounded scary.
It did, but we're good. Ooh. There's the Fox Red door card.
Bye-bye.
There we go.
Got you.
You ready for this?
Seat out.
That'll be. Oh, goddamn!
Deadlift a bit.
Try that. Lift that. Strong guy.
It is pretty heavy for a
That's a seat. What do you mean that's a chair? Alright. This part should be fairly easy, I think. There we go. There we go. And there we go. We got this side all done. Now we just have to take the back seats off and then do that side, obviously, but we're getting some progress. I'm definitely gonna have to make a custom seatbelt bracket. That way we don't throw that seatbelt code, or not really a code, but obviously we don't want the seatbelt light on all the time because it's just gonna do bling, bling, bling. There we go. All right, well, we officially got the back seating out. We just have to do the actual back seats because, oh, I'm so out of breath. This is actually so annoying because I don't want to break any tabs because I'm trying to sell this interior, you know? And I hate to be the guy that sells it with a bunch of broken tabs, so. But yeah, once we get those back seats out, we just have the door cards and then that center console piece. And this interior is completely gutted. That's insane. So close. That was awful. That was awful. All right, so we officially have everything out of the car except for the one door card, so I'm not even gonna bother recording that because you guys have seen me do every other part on this car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken off, and then once we get everything stripped out, I'm gonna take this for a test drive and see if I can feel a difference because this is like probably 80 pounds worth of interior pieces. The seats are insanely heavy, so kind of curious to see how this is gonna go. Okay, finally after about 3 hours, we finished everything on the car, but now the one thing I did not realize is the fact that all of my door panels have the premium sound package speakers, and well, the ones I got don't. So I have to transfer all of the electronics out of my doors onto the new ones, and it is gonna be such a hassle because it's just more work for no reason. But let me go ahead and do that really quick, and then yeah. All right, so it is officially the next day. We got all the speakers transferred over. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness. But now let me show you guys what the inside actually looks like. I don't think I've done that yet. Look at how empty it is in here. Literally just the driver's seat. We have temporary door cards on right now, just regular black ones, because obviously we still want to be able to get in and out of the car. But now The only thing is, I don't have the new interior coming. The new interior comes whenever this one sells. So really hoping that the interior sells a little bit quicker than I'm thinking. However, I'm not too opposed to it because I can still drive the car. So since we gutted the entire car, I wonder if it's enough to actually feel a difference.
Don't lie, it's pretty comfortable. Comfy back there.
Without the seats.
Yes. Way more.
Yeah.
I actually like that.
Yeah. Second hole.
Yeah. All right, so we are officially back at the house, and like I said, I don't know if it's placebo effect that it feels faster. It probably is, it most likely is, but it's still crazy to me that I'm going to be having my dream interior. I even wanted this interior in the Z originally, and it's crazy that I'm gonna be able to do that in an M3. And it is crazy because everything in here is going to be custom. I'm gonna be doing my own design on all of the door panels and the back panels, all of the center console, the dash, and even the steering wheel I'm getting custom made, so that'll be pretty cool. But I really don't know if I want to go rear seat delete or throw in rear seats right now, so we'll figure that out. I'm not really in too much of a hurry to get seats, so we'll worry about that another day. But with all of this being said, that is going to bring us to the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy watching today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications because this car is going to go through a crazy, and I mean crazy, transformation within these next couple months, so you're not going to want to miss it. Love you guys.